Good afternoon. In front of you are Form 4 graduates ready to present an amazing process known as electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process in which electric current is passed through an electrolyte to produce chemical reaction. Electrolysis is done throughout the process is done in electrolytic cell, which contain electrolytes, electrodes, cathode, wire, battery, and bulb. Electrolyte is a substance which conducts electricity in a molten form. As we can see here, these are the electrolytes. Electrolytes, this one, which conducts electricity. It is in molten form. Also, we have bulb, this one, which emits light. Also, we have electrode, this one. These are the substances in which electrons leave or enter the electrode. Also, we have wire. As you can see in our table here, there is some wires which carry electricity from one substance to another. Also, there is a battery which supply electricity. Let me welcome my fellow to demonstrate more about our process of electrolysis. Welcome.
Thank you. Here I'm going to talk on how the electrolyte can conduct electricity. Firstly, on how you see this is the electrolyte. It is the electrolyte which conducts an electricity. When the electrode is must be an electrolyte, the bulb will light on. As how you can see here. Electrode must be electrolyte, the bulb will light up. This means that the electrolyte conducts electricity. As you see here, when electrolyte must be electrolyte, the electrolyte dissociates to form ions. This ion moves to the electrode in which cause the current to flow through our circuit. Let me welcome my fellow to demonstrate more.
Thank you. The mechanism of electrolysis. This process has the mechanism when electric current passes through different electrolytes, they conduct electricity. When electric current passes through different electrolytes, the ions move toward the opposite electrodes. During electrolysis, the positive charge ions migrate toward the positive anode, and when the negative charge ions migrate toward the cathode. As you can see, cathode is the positive charge. That's why the ions have migrated toward the opposite charges. As you can see here, they will conduct electricity. This is due to the migration of electrons. This will make the bulb to light up. As you can see, this is. Let me welcome my fellow technician to proceed about the wonderful process. Welcome. Some of the elements found at the lower side of an electrochemical series they do not conduct electricity. Example, nitrates. And the last is the nature of an electrode. As we see from our demonstration, the anode is a positive and electrolyte, but cathode is a negative and electrolyte. This means that the positive ions will migrate toward the cathode, but the negative ions will migrate toward the anode. This means that the nature of an electrolyte determines the kind of ions. I'm welcoming my friend to continue.
Thank you. It's guided by Faraday's laws of electrolysis. By starting with Faraday's first law of electrolysis, which is that the mass of a substance during electrolysis is direct proportion to the quantity of electricity passed through electrolytes. Faraday's second law of electrolysis states that when the same quantity of a substance passes through a solution of different electrolytes, the mass of a substance deposited during deposited or liberated are direct proportional to the chemical equivalent of a substance. May I welcome my fellow technician to explain more about it.
Thank you. I'm here in front of you to explain the application of the process LIFAD. The process LIFAD is electrolysis. One among the process of electrolysis is the production of various gases. We can produce various gases through the process of electrolysis. One among the gases is chlorine gas. Chlorine gas can be manufactured from the down cell, which is connected in an electrolytic cell, in which the sodium chloride dissociates to form ions, whereby the positive ions, which is the sodium ions, move to the cathode, while the chlorine ions move to the anode, thus leading to the generation of chlorine gas. Secondly, purification of copper. The copper, which is extracted from various ores, such as copper pyrite, copper grains, and malachite, is very impurity. So, in order to make it very pure to be used in various activities, we must do it in an electrolytic cell, whereby it's made to be an anode. Third, one among the most application is electroplating. What is electroplating? Electroplating, this refers to the process of coating a metal to another metal. Electroplating is used to make various things to look like silver, various ornaments look like silver or gold due to electroplating. Here even my chain looks gold because of electroplating. My earrings look gold because of electroplating. This is the most application used in our daily lives. Most watches look silver, even their watch look gold because of electroplating. Dear guests of honor, parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, and our fellow students, thank you for paying much attention to our group called Hexa Technicians. Thank you.